Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
Rishi Sunak became Britain's Prime Minister and pledged to lead the country out of a profound economic crisis and rebuild trust in politics. Sunak quickly reappointed Jeremy Hunt as his finance minister in a move designed to calm markets that had balked at his predecessor's debt-fueled economic plans. Bitcoin has risen nearly 5% in value to above $20,000 for the first time in about 3 weeks, and Ether is ahead just shy of 11% to its highest price since the merge, leading a broad rally in cryptocurrencies and related stocks. European markets closed higher as investors assessed the outlook for monetary policy from the US Federal Reserve and digested earnings. The majority of sectors ended in positive territory, led by tech stocks, which closed up 4.2%. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 4.3% in the last session. The CCI indicates an overbought market. The gold-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. Amazon shares rose 0.7% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair exploded 1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The US new home sales will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The US MBA mortgage applications at 1100 hours GMT. The French consumer confidence at 0645 GMT. Japan's coincident index will be released at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's leading economic index at 0500 hours GMT. Australia's consumer price index at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.